Mahatma and this. So the question somebody was asking you, what is the Guru Shishya relationship, how it is described in Bhagavad Gita? Because this was last week as Guru Purnima. So, and this chapter is also relevant. Bhagwan is telling Arjun something same, right? So my personal, there was a newspaper in India, some I forgot, Navbharat time, or Hindi mein tha wo, long time back when I was in college, 40 years ago. So one time, October 2nd was there, and Gandhi Jayanti, something. So the editor, Rajendra Mathur, very good writer, he wrote, he said, October 2nd editorial tha. So he very nicely he wrote, I still remember I was maybe 14, 15 year old. He said कि मनुष्य like खूबी होती है कि जब भी मुझे कुछ नहीं करना होता है, मैं I'll find a way not to do. तो हमें वो एग्जाम्पल गांधी जी का था, बट इट अप्लाइज टू everyone, anything which is higher than me, if I don't want to do that, I'll give a title to that. तो हमने गांधी को महात्मा टाइटल देके बैठा दिया. गांधी या और भी लोग होते हैं, उनको हम गुरु बना देते हैं, महात्मा बना देते हैं, क्योंकि वो तो महात्मा है, मैं तो वो नहीं कर सकता जो महात्मा ने किया, मैं तो वो नहीं कर सकता जो सन्यासी करता है, क्योंकि मैं आई फाइंड एक्सक्यूज. तो ये जो गुरु पूर्णिमा में यही होता है कि हम गुरु 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 करके गुरु नहीं किया, एंड आई जस्ट से कि भाई ये तो गुरु करते हैं, मैं नहीं करूंगा. तो मेरे हिसाब से तो एक्चुअली इसका नाम होना चाहिए शिष्य गुरु पूर्णिमा. शिष्य की जिम्मेदारी ज्यादा है. शिष्य इज मोर रिस्पॉन्सिबल देन गुरु. गुरु's जॉब इज डन, व्हाट अबाउट मी? एंड दैट्स व्हाट. तो पूरी भगवत गीता में जब अर्जुन ने 7th श्लोक जो हम लोग बोलते हैं, अर्जुन ने बोला कि शिष्यस्ते हम शादी मानता हूं प्रपन्ना. कृष्ण ने उसके पहले कुछ बोला ही नहीं है, एक ही बार बोले हैं वो, कि तब उन्होंने तो बल्कि अर्जुन को ये बोला था कि व्हाई यू हैव दिस वीक हार्टेडनेस, स्टैंड अप अर्जुन, त्यक्तो उत्तिष्ठ परंतप, क्षुद्रम हृदय दौर्बल्यम, गिव अप दिस like faint heartedness or weakness of your heart, that emotional quotient we talked about, that this is so low. Arjun, stand up and be in your control, then I'll give you the teaching. पर ये नहीं बोला था कि मैं गुरु हूं. अर्जुन said शादी माम ताम प्रपन्नम शिष्यस्ते हम. So first thing is that ऐसा कहावत भी है कि when शिष्य is ready, guru will come. And same thing, if students are ready, teaching will flow in. But if तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, गुरु 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 पूर्णिमा गुरु, अरे मेरी भी तो जिम्मेदारी कुछ है गुरु पूर्णिमा पे. Am I following what Acharya or Guru has taught? So that's what Bhagwan. So if we look at the 4th chapter में, there is a श्लोक 3rd chapter उसमें. So Arjun और Krishna की जो relationship है, is a guru शिष्य. Arjun said you are my guru. Never, Krishna has never said that. So he says, but that's a humility of a guru or acharya. In the 4th chapter there is a श्लोक, he says bhakto asi sakha mein cheti, means you, I am teaching you because you are my bhakt. Bhakt means premi, the dear one, you're very dear to me, and sakha, you're my friend. So both bhakt and sakha ki Sanskrit definition is bhakt means you share with, that's all bhaj dhatu se aata hai, you are sharing. So we are sharing each other with love, we are at the same level. And sakha means friend, mitra, who is the same level. So Bhagavan is saying, I am teaching you because we are same, we are at the same level. And another 10th chapter mein there is a shlok comes where Bhagavan says, Varshininam Vasudevo Asmi Pandavanam Dhananjaya. Means I am, when he is describing the glory, I am one of the best in Vashne. There is a Bhagwan school, Vashne. And Pandava, you are the best. We are the best. We are at the same. So that is what Guru is saying. Guru wants to bring us to his level or her level. But हम लोग स्मार्ट हैं, हम उस लेवल पे जाना नहीं चाहते, इसलिए वो बोले गुरु जी है, ये महात्मा है, गुरु पूर्णिमा है. अरे एक शिष्य पूर्णिमा, शिष्य गुरु पूर्णिमा है. We have to follow the teaching. And that's what Bhagavad Gita is very clear. And भगवान बाद में अर्जुन को पूछते भी हैं, बोलते भी हैं 18 चैप्टर में कि I told you all this, but यथा इच्छसि तथा कुरु. मैंने तुझे सब बता दिया 18 चैप्टर. Not do whatever you feel like doing. So there is no imposition. गुरु का मतलब ये नहीं है कि यही करो जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. गुरु का मतलब है कि गुरु is like a torch. Torch doesn't tell you walk left or right or you walk straight. Torch says I am available to you. I am light. You find your way. You walk. I'm not going to walk for you. The same thing भगवान से यथा अच्छे से तथा करो. उन्होंने बोला. उसके बाद भी फिर पूछा उन्होंने कि भगवान अर्जुन को पूछते हैं उसके बाद we'll see that in chapter कि reassurance कि तुझे समझ में आया कि नहीं आया मैंने जो तू बताया अर्जुन. And Arjun then Arjun answers that, and that is what our responsibility. Arjun's answer at the end, he says, भगवान पूछते हैं कि तेरा मोह जो था, delusion where we started, it is gone or not? Teach us. Maybe he assures or he or she that your delusion is gone. सारा खेल अज्ञान मिटाने का. ये नहीं कि ये पूजा करनी है, वो करनी है और ये गुरु जी के लिए करना, ये सब आजकल बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है. Like the whole definition of guru and acharya is distorted. So Arjun says, the answer Arjun gives, and that is what Shish's responsibility. He says, Nashto moho smriti labdha. जो आपने मुझे बताया भगवान. So 7th श्लोक में he did the samarpan. शिष्यस्ते हम शादी माम ताम प्रपन्नम. प्रपन्नम means samarpan. Samarpan means commitment. I am committed to you, to your teaching. Krishna, teach me. I am committed. And Arjun did that, right? And at the end he says, Nashto moho smriti labdha. My delusion is gone. I regained my identity. Who am I? Tat prasadat maya achyut. But it is all because of your blessings, because of your grace. Aapki kripa se. And then he said, tat prasad maya achyut, nashto moho smriti labdha tat prasadat maya achyut, gat sandeh sthito asmi karishye vachanam tav. My doubts, I am doubtless now. That's what Bhagavan says. अगर ध्यान मुझ में करेगा तो doubtlessly you will know me. Doubtlessly you will get that realization. So Arjun says that. So Arjun started with Samarpan, Prapannam, and finishes with Tat Prasadat. And that should be that is the responsibility of any learner. So अध्याय में हम सब स्टूडेंट ही हैं. हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि समर्पण करें भगवान को. एंड समर्पण के लिए we saw there is a famous श्लोक in भगवद गीता. नहीं ज्ञानेन सदृशं पवित्रम इह विद्यते. पवित्रता होनी चाहिए समर्पण के लिए, और पवित्रता आएगी ज्ञान से. सो पहला अर्जुन ने समर्पण किया और लास्ट में अर्जुन ने बोला कि जो भी कुछ मैंने जाना तत्प्रसादात मया achyut. That is another humility. So for a student has to have that is prasad buddhi, we can say. Prasad buddhi means accept whatever comes to me. That is prasad buddhi. And of course coming from Bhagavan. So commitment, that is prapannam, and then accept the teaching as prasad. उसमें फिर argument नहीं है, because that's what Bhagavan says, श्रद्धा. एक बार establish हो गई श्रद्धा, then yeah, you have to, and that's the reason we have Shravanam, Mananam, Nididhyasanam. Listen, go home, do the contemplation, regurgitate, and Nididhyasanam. Practice it. That's what, and we'll talk about Gyan Vigyan next week when we meet. So yeah, that's the Guru Shishya relationship in Bhagavad Gita, but it is equal. ऐसा नहीं कि गुरु यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं कुछ भाषण दे रहे हैं और शिष्य को इंस्ट्रक्ट. No. And there we'll stop here. Columbia University, there was a graduation, and one of the dean was giving a speech. Very nice. I heard and I like that what he said. And so here it is, the whole Shadi Mam, Shiksha. Actually, Shiksha is happening. That's why it is a Shikshak or there is a Shiksharthi. Shiksharthi is a student. Shikshak is who is giving Shiksha. The root word of Shiksha is instruction. That is Shiksha. But the dean of Columbia University said very nicely. He said, today, when you're graduating, you are instructed. But if you're not using your education to serve the society, you don't become a contributor, you don't become meaningful for the society, then you are just instructed, not educated. You become educated when you contribute to the society. And that's what Bhagavan Arjun ko pucha. Ki tujhe samajh mein aaya ki nahi aaya, you are a contributor now. And he says, yes. Gat sandeh sthito asmi. I know what I'm supposed to do. I know what is my swadharma. Contributor means swadharma, you know. And that is what Bhagavad Gita stands. So that is Bhagavad Gita, Guru Shishya relationship, and we should treat this as a Shishya Guru Purnima. So with that, I will stop here and we'll do our quick dhyan, and then